So we've got the new axles in place, and the next step for us is to give this family the suspension upgrades that the dad had always wanted. And we're going to do that with the Dirt King 2.0 IFP shocks and upper control arms.
This is going to be a great upgrade for this truck. And here's what I like about it, dude. This is a good-looking system.
Isn't it?
If you and I were suspension, we would be Dirt King. I'm just saying.
It looks that good.
But you take a look at this, and you've got everything that you need. This spring up in the front, this whole shock is preset to give 3 inches of lift to the front end. So it's going to lift it up, and it's going to level everything off, right? That's all preset, and it's going to work with the upper control arms. That's all designed to work together as a system, because it's not like you're going to be lifting everything up, and now it's going to throw your caster off, and you're going to have alignment issues. This is going to keep all that stock geometry the same, and you're going to put this in. It all just bolts right back in, nice and easy, to the same locations. And we're going to put it in there, and everything's going to be nice and level.
You know, also, you talk about, these front shocks, the performance of them. They already come pre-tuned, so there's really nothing you have to do other than bolt them in. So they're going to be optimized for everyday driving conditions, as well as you want to take it on some rugged terrain or going off-roading. It is all set for you.
Let's say you want to take it to the next level. Well, you can do that.
Well, that's where it comes in, the 2.5 DCA shocks. Now, this is where you really want to be aggressive. You're going to do a lot of off-roading. You're talking about doing desert conditions. This is going to get you what you need. You've got the external reservoir. It's a bigger canister itself, another ½ inch in size, and it's bigger, better, especially with the billet upper control arm.
I dig it. We may have to go to this, but let's start with that.
Oh, there we